Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're going to look at this 1979 Jeep CJ-5 Renegade. Has some upgrades with a 350 V8 4-speed manual, about 1,600 miles since the restoration and build. Just a beautiful little Jeep here, silver with black interior. Great for beach or hunting cabin. Before we get too far into this CJ5, I'll just tell you a little bit about Classic Cars of Sarasota. We are located in Sarasota, Florida, just north of University on the corner of Televast and 301. We keep about 100 cars in inventory. Not going to go through the entire inventory for you. You can see it on our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. But as I mentioned, about 100 cars in inventory. 80% of those are domestic classic cars. The other 20% are European luxury and or exotic cars. If you're not in Florida and you have an interest in this 79 Jeep CJ5, don't hesitate to still give us a call or visit the website, as we do ship all over the world. Last year we shipped to 8 different countries, 19 different US states. We've shipped to New Zealand, Budapest, Hungary, Spain, Seoul, South Korea, Netherlands, Germany, Australia, to name a few. So we can get this vehicle anywhere you may be in the US. If you are looking to finance or have finance needs, we can help you there as well. Please visit the website at classiccarsofsarasota.com, as we have additional pictures of all our vehicles on there, about 75 to 100 pictures of each vehicle. But we also have a finance tab that will tell you a little bit about our financing, and you can apply right there on the website. You can see BF Goodrich radial tires on the vehicle, beautiful silver paint, black interior. Again, just a little beautiful Jeep here. Show you the 350 if we can do this with one hand here. Again, very clean engine bay. See, aluminum radiator. Engine was built by Buster Jackson. Does have a little cam, nothing super aggressive, but just a beautiful little vehicle here. Go ahead and lock it down. And we'll go ahead and get it started up so you can hear it. As I mentioned, it has about 1,600 miles since the restoration. Make sure we're in neutral. Starts right up. Let it warm up a little bit before revving it. Does have Flowmaster exhaust systems on it, dual exhaust. On our website you will see the underneath pictures. It all sounds good. There's a little rubble. It's a beautiful little Jeep here. Rev it up just a hair. Shut it off here. As I mentioned, if you are interested, please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit our website, Classic Cars of Sarasota, for this 1979 Jeep CJ-5 equipped with a 350 V8 4-speed manual, which is a beautiful little vehicle here. Again, if you are interested, please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. Thank you very much.